In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Tesla map not working. So let's get started. So first of all, I want you to guide yourselves onto this page, tesla.com/owner's manual, and select the car that you own. For the sake of the video, I'll be choosing Model X. Then proceed to choose the language you're compatible with, in this case English. Now you'll be redirected to a page with a bunch of options to the left. Here, I want you to go down to Navigation and Entertainment and click on the drop-down button, and then click on Maps and Navigation. Now, have a good read through this. There's a lot of pointers on how all the maps for Tesla work and everything. So if this fixed your issue after reading it, then that's perfect. If not, I do have a couple more fixes to share with you. So let's get started. So first, start with basic reboot. Press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen goes black. Wait for a few seconds and then Tesla logo should appear as system restarts. This often resolves minor glitches, including map-related issues. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection. Tesla's navigation relies on a stable connection, whether it's Wi-Fi, cellular data, or your phone's hotspot. If you're in an area with weak signal, try moving to a different location or switching networks. Next, verify that your car's software is up to date. To do this, tap on Controls, then Software, and check for any available updates. If there's an update waiting, installing it might resolve any bugs affecting the maps. Another quick fix to reset your navigation setting, go to Safety and Security, then select Power Off. Wait for about 2 minutes before pressing the brake pedal or opening the door to restart the car. This allows the system to fully reset, which can clear up map-related issues. If the map is still not working correctly, try clearing your navigation history. Sometimes old data can cause glitches. To do this, open the navigation search bar, find your recent locations, and delete them one by one. For persistent issues, you might need to reset your car's connectivity. Navigate to Service, reset network settings. Keep in mind that this will erase any saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth connections, so you will need to reconnect your device afterwards. Finally, if none of these steps work, consider reaching out to Tesla support through mobile app. They can run a remote diagnostic or advice if a service appointment is necessary. Right, so I hope this video helps you guys out, and that'll be for today, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.